In this video, we are solved WordPress website login problem. So at first, we are logging our cPanel. Cpanel login. Then username and password. Then login. Okay. We are dashboard. Our dashboard cPanel and just search PHP version. Okay. Just select. And then scrolling, we are looking search extension. Okay, extension, and just click. Look at the previous problem. We are reload. Then same problem. Okay. Then we are back. cPanel, PHP extension, and just enable our MySQL option. Okay, just enable it now. Then back our website and just reload now. That's fine. Our website looking good and is running smoothly. Okay, so in this video we are helpful. Thank you.